Hello friends, welcome to our channel Meet the Flavors. Today I'm gonna share with you a very unique dessert recipe and it can amaze your guest by its look and the taste, and it's very easy to make. This is Savoy Basket Custard recipe. So without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, we are gonna make the Savoy basket or vermicelli basket. For that, here I have used some roasted vermicelli and I will use around 250 grams. And firstly, I have taken 1 teaspoon of ghee and will roast it further for 1 minute. If you don't have any roasted vermicelli with you, then you need to roast it until it gets good golden brown color. But here I am already using roasted vermicelli, so it will take only 1 minute. Now I will just sprinkle little bit of water to soften this vermicelli. But remember one thing, you don't need to add much water because we don't need to cook the vermicelli, just need to soften a little bit to give a proper shape of basket. So that's why I have just sprinkled a little bit of water. Now you can see the vermicelli are ready almost, and it's not that much soft but a little bit. Now for having sweetness in the basket, I am using this Nestle Milkmaid because I am not gonna use any sugar in it. And also there is another reason of using this Nestle Milkmaid, because after using this you can see the vermicelli becomes sticky and it really helps to bind it properly and to give a proper shape like a basket. So here I have used around 2 to 3 tablespoons of Nestle Milkmaid. You can use as per the sweetness you want. So just now greasing a plastic mold, and I will put this vermicelli around 2 to 3 teaspoons, and it will depend upon the shape of the mold you have taken, and just need to tap these vermicelli to give a proper shape of a mold. Now you have to refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours. Now we have to make the custard, and for that here I have taken half liter of full cream milk and just need to boil it. Then in a separate glass bowl here I am taking 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Now need to mix this with water to avoid creating lump. Now here I am adding around 2 tablespoons of sugar into that milk. Now mix this well. You can use sugar as per your taste. Now I am adding that milk powder paste that I have made with the water. And don't use milk powder directly into that hot milk because it may create lump. Now mix this well. Now I am adding around 3 tablespoons of Milkmaid. Now mix this well and turn off the flame. Now I am gonna mix that custard powder, and for that I have taken 3 tablespoons of custard powder and already mixed with the milk, cold milk. Now you need to mix this well and turn on the heat again. So after 4 to 5 minutes you can see the custard is ready and it becomes thick right now. So now it's time to unmold that basket, savoy basket, and for that I have taken out from the refrigerator, and just you need to unmold like this. So our basket is ready, it's totally set, and this savoy basket or vermicelli basket is totally ready. You can see it looks really awesome. So now pour the custard into that basket and fill this well with the custard like this, and then garnish with some cherries, some tutti fruities and the cashew, pistachio, like some chopped dry fruits. so it will look really nice and taste you can't imagine. So please try at your home, and if you like our recipe, please don't forget to click the like button and share your reviews in the comment section. And please do share our recipe and subscribe our channel. And for our next upcoming cooking recipes, don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Keep watching Meet the Flavors and keep supporting us. Thank you. Happy Diwali and Happy Bhai Dooj to all.